Optimizing production planning and scheduling is essential for driving manufacturing excellence in the fast-paced manufacturing world. That's where MxAPS, the advanced finite capacity scheduling app from InsightWorks, comes in. Seamlessly integrating with Dynamics 365 Business Central, MxAPS revolutionizes your production planning and scheduling process, taking it from an inaccurate and time-consuming to responsive, repeatable, and highly accurate decision support. With MxAPS, you can generate realistic and optimized manufacturing plans, maximizing efficiency across your business. Let's explore the features that makes MxAPS the ultimate tool for manufacturing excellence. MxAPS offers advanced scheduling and planning capabilities, allowing you to efficiently schedule production orders based on priority, due dates, and sequencing rules. Resource optimization enables you to allocate machines, labor, and other resources for maximum productivity. Say goodbye to excessive downtime and setup times, as MxAPS improves production efficiency, reducing costs and maximizing throughput. Stay responsive and deliver just in time with MxAPS. Schedule production orders based on real-time demand, customer priorities, and delivery requirements. Plan preventative maintenance tasks, manage equipment downtime, and minimize disruptions to the production schedule with MxAPS's maintenance planning and downtime management features. Take control of your inventory management by accurately scheduling and sequencing production orders. MxAPS minimizes excess inventory levels, improving overall inventory control. But the benefits extend beyond the shop floor. MxAPS generates accurate schedules, optimizes resource allocation, and facilitates timely order fulfillment, enhancing sales, finance, and purchasing processes. Visualize and customize your schedules with MxAPS. Its user-friendly interface provides graphical visualization and customizable views, making it easy to understand and modify schedules quickly. MxAPS holds a competitive advantage over its rivals. You can quickly identify bottlenecks and scheduling conflicts with enhanced visibility and transparency. MxAPS incorporates finite capacity scheduling, providing realistic and feasible production schedules for resource constraints. Perform what-if analysis and simulation scenarios to make informed decisions and optimize schedules, all seamlessly integrated with Dynamics 365 Business Central's MRP functionality. MxAPS's flexibility in alternate routing and comprehensive features empowers you to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Drive operational improvements, achieve manufacturing excellence, and enhance your profitability with MxAPS. Are you ready to revolutionize your production planning and scheduling? To learn more, visit the website or reach out to your Microsoft partner. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.